I make breakfast in the morning. I make breakfast in the morning. I make coffee at home. I make coffee at home. I make dinner for my family. I make dinner for my family. I do laundry on weekends. I do laundry on weekends.
I do exercise in the morning. I do exercise in the morning.
I do my homework at home. I do my homework at home. I use a pen to write. I use a pen to write. I eat fruit every day. I eat fruit every day.
I drink water in the morning.
I drink water in the morning. I sleep at night. I sleep at night. I use my phone every day. I use my phone every day. I drink coffee at work. I drink coffee at work. I drink juice with breakfast. I drink juice with breakfast. I sleep late on weekends. I sleep late on weekends. I drive to work. I drive to work. I drive home after work. I drive home after work. I use a computer at work. I use a computer at work. I read a book. I read a book. I live in the city. I live in the city. I live in an apartment. I live in an apartment. I water the plants. I water the plants. I live with my family. I live with my family.
I sleep on the sofa. I sleep on the sofa.
Thank you for learning with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.